Hello? Yes, man. This is Valentine Kids. Yes, oh, you, no, man, I meant to call you, man. No, man, I meant to call you. But you see, the wife giving me a little problem, you see, and the firm not doing so well. So I'm just asking you for a little extension, you see. I will pay it at a, no, but you don't, no, man. You can't do that, man. You can't do that, man. Oh, you will just get up and do that, man. Oh, you will just get up and sell the smarty house. May I have the key them in my pocket, you know. So tell me something. When you sell my house now, where am I to live? On the bus stop. Oh man, this can't work, so man. This cannot work like this, man. You cannot just get up and sell this money house, man. You can't live like that then, man. We cannot live like that then, man. We cannot live like this, man. We cannot live like this.
Delcita right now, the government about dagger and one more dagger can get come dagger. No, why not give people the sign of me? Don't me it?
Me and you blame that a relationship here, but we are talking about business here.
Delcita, the man who say come here as some investors, they come for their money.
Yeah.
The top boy want him interest, the sharp boy want interest, you want your interest, and that man want interest. If I give you your money first, they'll come and I can't pick up interest, you understand?
See what you there? But when me not think about do see, they cannot take out the confidence and the interest.
They know what I mean. You're going to hard. Your name there number 5.
That's cemetery, go sorry.
Your name there number 5. If you want your name to go number first, you see this 550,000 you have to make it.
No, matter how much ever, not tonight. Every night we are back it up, you back it up. Trevor, it's 50,000 what you try borrow from me. Last week you borrowed 25,000. You're back it up, Trevor. Now you try borrow 15. You're going to lend you now. What you going to lend you? You're lend you 10,000. Put it on the 25. That's 35. 15 I'm going to lend you. I pick them college money me I try to put together, you know. I hate me I try to put together. I say, Trevor, you have a rock picking them money. Trevor, see 10,000 you. Trevor, make sure we get it back. Oh!
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Any girl see your money, so good girl. Hey, Delcita, you see as long as you see me, you shall see your money.
And it's Trevor. You see, when me see you, me not see me money. I'm worried.
Come. I make sure we can't do it. And the one along now, I want Durex. Durex Ultra Sensitive. Durex Ultra Thin. Do.
Trevor, why are you messing with me?
Me now, mess with you.
You know I had to pay somebody to find you, though.
What the good thing to the find me now, don't you?
Why weren't you answering your phone last night?
Because the service was down.
So how is the service? No, Trevor.
This is he, Zara, Zena, ladies, Kacha.
Where were you last night, Trevor? Answer the question.
What was the question?
Where were you last night?
Right here.
With whom?
By myself, out myself. Come on, man. You're up too rough now, man. You can't do it.
No. Are you silly?
Yeah.
Don't you dare get up.
I would have never moved. See them now move. I'm an idiot. No, man. You have to take a joke.
You're wearing these?
No.
No, Trevor. You must be wearing those.
No, but we can't explain.
No explanation necessary.
We make it.
Because I must have been really stupid to think I could propose to you.
Me too.
What if my family was to find out you're cheating on me?
Cheating me now.
Yes.
Me now. Time stop.
Trevor, you know I love you. And I've given you my heart, Trevor. And it seems like you have a problem giving me yours. So I will just take it.
And I'm heart, you want my soul. How if you come in and my sister house and accuse me of cheating?
Trevor.
You look like a family rabbit to you?
Trevor. Which sister?
So whoever you pay for watch me, couldn't tell me live with my sister. The two are with there. Here, together. And you come in and my sister will put life off, favorite brother through that plan to kill him. So, hey, this is this? I'm a grand. Oh, God, I no. There's the okay. You can man? No, man, this is a sin, man. If there's the water, please.
Whoa!
Never hide.
No! When I came through that door, Trevor, I heard you say something about condoms. Why would you need condoms?
No, you say you don't want to get pregnant.
Yes, I did.
That is what condoms are for. You pinch, leave an inch, and no, Eve, man, you have to joke too. Oh, what's it? No, man. No, come here. Come down.
Listen.
He comes
No, wait.
He just died, man.
Baby, I was calling you and you weren't answering the phone. You weren't picking up.
I saw phone stay sometimes the service them down. That's why they come with lime and Clara. Come on, you have to take a joke. Come. Where do you stop me?
No, baby, I'm not stalking you. I love you.
No, you don't never stop me and come like scary movie.
What if I put the knife
Yeah,
away?
man, you never play yourself to me.
No, I'm not saying that, Trevor.
Listen, man, this is not going to work out between me, man. Anyway, you come there, you just back on the PP stuff, we're going to start, man.
Baby, listen. I love you.
No, you can't just let more PP.
Trevor.
Alright, tell you what. Why you don't go to your yard? I'm going to come in and go stalk you, bitch. Go down your yard and come and go stalk you. I put out some clothes and I come down there, pay.
You sure?
Of course.
You gonna come see me?
Yes, man.
Okay.
And if you ever come and say, come. Oh.
What? Why?
This is
Oh, your sister? Maybe I can meet my sister-in-law. Baby.
well, if you could do my clothes on me, yeah, come on.
Baby, listen. She's a woman. She'll understand.
My sister is a woman that's very patient.
What? No! I am not going through that hole. Do you see what I look like? Hello. Ridiculous.
If my sister book you know, look like hello.
Trevor, no.
Hey, yeah, come on.
All right. He didn't know.
Climb up. Take your back to the face. Yes, Rita? At least I need fast shower. I go hotter. Hey. What the cut? Yes, Rita. Complete will be complete.
Sheba! Oh, you said if you go by
wash, cook, clean, and give me some feed. Not more.
You know, say your mother wicked though. You may want to know, if my teeth fear to kill, you know, say I'm not giving you one. Never notice how you talk to me.
You wash, you cook.
My chairman no like say me never wash or iron your clothes, no chairman. I'm in love cook your food. I'm in love when you eat your food. And chairman, when me say eat my food, me a talk for every woman when they are so. Yeah. But chairman, look here man, me a woman in your life, I have to show me respect. And when me say respect, chairman, me not talk about no respect for no boss or no respect for no dad, me a talk about respect for the sitter.
Where is the fire? No man, this don't make no sense. It's not what the sense are. You ever see dead man a walk it? Oh man, no. Which one she do with the file, do you man? Every time I say to the secretary, I say, Secretary, file the file. Secretary, file the file. Oh no, the woman don't file one file. Hello? Yes, this is he. Who this? What kind of protection money? No, hold on, come back as a drawbreaks. Come back as a... Me just open this here firm here, you see? And me not selling no goods. This is not a wholesale. So I refuse to pay any protection money to anybody. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Out of order. Just give the door a firm push, man. The buzzer stick on me at times. Never you fear, though. I'll be right. What is? The IDF, Inner City Development Fund. This extortion business get family? Yeah. $20,000 a month? For what? You must say, man, if I pay only $20,000, I this something wrong. What are you going to do about it, eh? What are you going to do about it? Or we burn down it. What? Oh, sorry, sweetie, not you. Just a little problem at the office, man. Just nothing too important. Tell me something. Since you go to university and get caught up with big time college friends, you forget me, man. Yes, man, I can't even hear from you. You're not caught. This is what you want this time. Tell me something, Marlene. Why is the university charging you so much money? Them think that is Bill Gates is your papa? Oh, calm down. Calm down. Yeah. All right, let me send them money. 20,000. All right, me send it next week. Yes. Love you too. Yes, bye-bye. Yeah, kiss. Yes, bye-bye. Yes. Marlene. Ah. Hello? Me not even have me gun to rat it. Hello? Is who there?
Somebody.
So this somebody not on here?
Hi.
I'll have you know I'm a licensed firearm holder. So come at your own risk. Oh, come this way, sir. Come this way.
How?
I am great. Step right. Oh, you are the architect. We spoke on the phone. Remind me of your name again, please.
The name is Senior.
Senior, yes.
Junior,
yes.
Senior.
Well. Is it senior or is it junior?
The name is Junior Senior.
All right, Mr. Junior Senior, show me the
As
file.
I explained to you on the phone, you see,
yes,
that these people were supposed to give me 500,000 up to today's date. They only give me 50,000, so I want you to sue them for every red cent that they got.
I am sorry to disappoint you, Junior Senior, but I can't take a case that value 500,000. I don't stand to profit from that. So
we're talking about 500,000 pounds here.
You want to never say so all along, man. Look,
you never asked.
We at Case and Company will definitely take this case. Definitely take this
Company?
Case. Yes.
So that is your wife?
Me what?
That photograph over there.
Oh, nonsense, man. This is my daughter.
Daughter?
Marlene Case.
Oh.
Studying business administration at the university.
Oh.
You have any children of your own?
Yes, you know, I got 3 wonderful girls.
What you say?
Yes, one by the name of Nokia, one Samson, and one Blackberry. One studying to be a lawyer, the next one a barrister, and the other one a blasted thief.
I beg your pardon?
Just like you said.
Oh, the legal field. It's
Yes,
a great
yes,
field
yes,
to be in.
yes.
No.
So how much a case like this is going to cost me now?
Well, a case like this, carry the one. Around 3 to 5 million, you know, Junior Senior. But lucky for you, we are having a special, you see?
Special?
Yes. You see, I would like to take this case on a mere percentage.
Percentage?
Yes.
Explain.
Let me explain. You see, upon completion, you receive 60%, we receive 40%. Oh, Mr. Honey.
Hold on a sec, this phone vibrating here.
All right, take your time.
Call. Yes, hello. Yes, Mr. John. Oh, no, OJ, listen. Oh, sir, if I am going to sell that piece of property, see, it's going to be for $80 million. Yes, 8 with a lot of millions behind it. No, I don't do business like that. You have to talk to my lawyer first. He's right here. What's your name again?
Valentine Case. Tell me it's Valentine Case.
His name is Valentine's Day.
What?
Yeah. Oh, him saying no, your name is a very popular man. It's a popular name you have. Yes. So as of now, you speak to my lawyer. His name is
Valentine Case.
Valentine's Day with a B. Yes, sir. Okay, good. So, Mr. Valentine's, you were saying something about some percentages, 70-30, right?
No. I said 60-40, 60-40.
Oh, come on, Mr. Valentine's, man. You're a lawyer, man.
You know what, Junior Senior? If you want to go and search for a better percentage, you can just go through the door and find it.
You give my purple.
Wait, hold on. You little joke me already. You can't take joke, man. Let me throw something else at you. Can I do that?
Dash it at me then.
Okay. How about 65-35? Me can't do no better than that, Junior.
65-35?
Take it or leave it.
That's
can't
not
do no
enough
better.
money to you. That's it.
No,
70-30.
that's not what I
Mr.
said.
Valentine's, I have a stockpile of case to give to you. I am an architect, you know. I architect things, and I can see in the future that you have a very bright case going along because I have a stock.
What you say? So you have a lot of work to put my way.
Morning, Mr.
Oh, morning, Miss Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
I want you to meet Mr. Junior Senior. Brand new client with a brand new case. Junior Senior, Miss Secretary, Delcita Coldwater.
Oh, yeah.
How do you do?
Oh, hello. Then, sir, I may keep pressing here.
Coldwater, darling.
Yes, sir.
Would you bring us 2 cups of coffee, please? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Coffee coming up. You want them hot or cold?
As I was saying,
Yes.
other than this purple case here, I have a lot of case to give to you.
Yes.
I have some blue one and some cream one to give to you.
What you say?
You see, when you have a lot of stuff, we have a lot of again.
Assets. A lot of assets.
That's the word. I have a lot of asses, but I do not have the live and ready cash.
Oh.
You know, the other day I went to a bank just to get a loan of $500,000 just to put up a perimeter fencing around my $90 million establishment up in Norwood.
What do you say?
And would you believe me that the bank have me there from 9 o'clock in the morning,
You're not.
straight back until 9 o'clock in the night,
No.
waiting on one blasted loan?
Sir, because you're going to wrong place, sir. Wrong place to go. Bank not do fancy, they do lending.
Thank you. Thank you, Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
As I was saying,
Yes.
I was in the bank from 6 o'clock in the morning, straight back until 6 o'clock in the night, waiting on one blasted loan.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
Is which bank you bank with? What's the name of the bank?
Bank?
Name, yes.
The name. Give me a name, the fast bank. Oh, CIBC.
Oh, that one been a long time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Coldwater.
See them here, sir. See them here.
Oh, set them down.
Me ask you what type of cola you not
I want you to feel one.
What is coffee? Come. Benches and chairs.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This coffee tastes like shit. But as I said before, you see, I am going to our next bank tomorrow morning, and I'm going to go from 5 o'clock because this is the earliest bird suck the most worm.
Nonsense. No more banks for you, junior, senior.
No more banks.
Yes. You see with Valentine case as your lawyer and the case and company as your firm, all your banking and financing will be done through the firm. Oh, mister.
Who?
Valentine case.
And who is that?
That's me.
And who are you?
I am the lawyer.
Oh, you're a lawyer. Oh, nice to meet you, man. So you have a bank?
No, me kind of confused now, you're not junior, senior. I am the lawyer and you're my client. I'm going to secure the loan for you.
Oh, you're going to give me a loan. No problem, man. Thanks. Most appreciated. Good lawyer, yes.
You know what? Just stay and make yourself at home, you see? I'm going to sort that out for you. 500,000 coming right up. No worry yourself. Miss Coldwater, assistance, please.
Man, we can never work out much. Yeah, Yo, Hammer. Me there, no. Hey, Hammer, when you go to university, see if you can find one little girl then called Marlene Keys. When you find a girl, you call me.
Hello, BBB. Yes, Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Wright, please? Hello, Ricky boy. How you doing, man? Volleyball, yes. Look here, I want an extension on the overdraft on this account. Yes, man, 500,000. I am sending the client to you straight away. Yes, man, the interest will be paid on time every time. Okay, thank you very much, Ricky. Okay, good. Okay, bye-bye. Mr. Junior Senior. Junior Senior?
Yes. I want to
come over here, son. Thank you. Yes, I managed to sort out the thing for you, you see?
Yeah.
I have a check here.
Oh, yes.
You take this 500,000, you take it to
good.
Wait, let me instruct you on it, you see?
Yeah.
This check will acquire an interest of 300,000 upon repay, and you have 8 months to repay, okay?
No problem, I'll have your money back to you by next week.
Wait, hold on. I am going to have to hold on to all your assets, all your paperwork, all your collateral, everything you own, I have to hold on to.
Assets?
Yes.
As I've told you before, I have a lot of files here.
What
this
you
is the cream file I'm telling you about, you see?
Yes.
Is that being up in Harvard Tree that the transport center?
You're too lying.
I am the architect on that one.
The transport,
And
what
if you
you
go
say?
through this one, you'll find out I don't know nothing about it, but you'll know about that one.
Okay.
And this one is definitely yours.
Okay.
And the blue file I tell you about is the architect for the Pegasus Hotel. I am the designer for
You're
that.
too lying.
And if you want the briefcase, you can have it too.
No, it's not my style.
Okay, then have a wonderful day.
No, hold on. You have to sign in.
Sign?
I owe you.
Lend me a pen. When I finish signing, I owe you, you will owe me. Yes.
You're not easy now, borrow that one.
You know what I like?
Yes.
Since I've been back here in Jamaica, I finally find somebody who I can trust.
Oh, yes, indeed.
You're a man that can be trusted.
Indeed.
Yes. Because you see, everybody where I come across just want to rob me.
Rob you.
The banks want to rob me.
Them rob everybody.
The government want to rob me.
Them works.
The police, they want to rob me.
No mention them.
JPS want to rob me.
One last one.
Mr. Valentine, don't make nobody rob you. It's pure con man go nowadays, you hear?
Rob me? You have to come good if you rob me, you know, junior, senior.
Oh yes, I forgot nobody can rob you because you're a lawyer. Okay, good.
Indeed.
Yes. Okay now, have yourself a one. Yes, this coffee. This shit is good. So now, have a wonderful time now and listen.
Yeah.
One of these days you must make my daughter, your daughter link up and we do a daughter's splash.
If you like this sound of that, hey, BBB bank.
I know where the bank is, you don't worry about that.
Wait, hold on. This ring look familiar, man. This look like an old school ring of mine. What is that? HME? What does that mean?
Oh, it means Her Majesty's Secret Service. Trust no shadow after dark. Okay, Mr. Valentine's. Have a wonderful Valentine.
You know, easy, you know, to walk good through your senior. What a nice man, man. Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
A minute of your time, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You see, when when you see me and successful business people out here talking,
Yes, sir.
you need to stay out of it. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Out there you're talking on the top of your voice. You think it's a party business me running?
No, yes, sir.
These belongs to Mr. Junior Senior.
Yeah.
Make sure say all the T's them cross and all the I's them dot. By the way, I have been looking top and bottom for your fire. Can't seem to find it.
Oh.
Dance of Dance Construction. You see?
Oh, yeah, me have it in me bag. You know, from when me can't get here, in me bag. And this man, me take you out of the kitchen. See there, sir. You should have asked me for that time, sir.
Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
Is there a filing cabinet in the office?
Yes, sir.
So how come the file coming out of your back? What's wrong with you, Coldwater? How much time have you tell if you stop picking up the files? What is wrong with you?
Sir, you have one like a no file you got, no one client you got, sir. And that's why me take the client file guy, because me now want more 10 come and you can't find the file and me can't get no clear.
Coldwater, man. I am trying with you, you know, Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
But you're not enhancing the process, you know, man.
Oh, me know.
You are not a good secretary, you know. Me just try a thing, man. Me just you don't even have any subjects, Coldwater. I don't even think you have common entrance.
Yeah, but you don't know, so me I do GSAT, no.
Jesus?
Yes, sir, me I do GSAT class, you know.
What you say?
And me say teacher proud of me, you know. He said the other day, she said, we must get a story book to read to we one another. Me no care no book, me can't case. He said, do we have to read to one another about 10 bikini reading, but they not talk about,
You know what, Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
I must really have a special place in my heart for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Later. Yes, I'm company money. I'm not here now, but if you talk to me, me talk back to you. Yeah, me not coming. Go ahead. Oh my God. And he beat you probably well. And just run you out of the house. Oh my God. So you are the cheap bikini run out of the house. Oh my God. So wanna leave now, wanna leave. Oh my God. So what you want me do? What you want we do? You want we swim for bikini maintenance? Oh, you want to swim for half a way in got? So look here. When you not go live with him man, you don't care nothing there for yourself. So miss, come on la. Okay. So how long you and the man live together? How long you and him live together? 4 years and 8 months. Miss your shot, you know. Yeah, you're shot. You then I check up you come out too quick. 5 years. Yeah, come on, last 5 years. Miss, listen. Come on, last 5 years. Yeah, you have to stay 5 years. So here what you do? Go to the gate, beg him man, partner, I'm going to live out 4 months. Miss, only that me can't tell you now. Yeah, me know, say me want to thump you now, your eye. Yeah, shut your ear when you leave them. Miss, only that we can't take care of our court, because you know, Miss, don't talk to me like that, because me never say nothing about you. Don't say, Miss, don't, your mama too.
Coldwater, the word is not mama. The word is mother.
What's that? Me there, me try explain to you, man, in writing, and in there, your mama too.
Coldwater. Who was that on the phone?
A wrong number, sir. Wrong number they call, sir.
Wrong number.
Yes, sir.
Wrong number or wrong attitude,
Sir,
Coldwater?
so my client, they ranking, and you have to rank back with them, your mama.
Coldwater! Look at You see this place, Coldwater? This is a firm.
Yes, sir.
This is a place of business, you see?
Yes, sir.
So you see when time the phone call them come in,
Yes, sir.
you need to answer the calls professionally.
Professionally.
You just make sure so when my phone ring, you send my calls them to me, you hear me?
Yes.
And answer it like a good secretary, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You're sure you're understanding the words that are coming out of my mouth, Coldwater?
Yes, sir. They smell foul, but
Professional.
yes, sir. All right, sir. Later. Oh, yeah. If you know that when you dial the number, I replace your call money. Sir, me answer it professionally, me not Yes, and company money. Oh, yes, sir, me here. You can't talk to me. Me there.
You did ask me first if me there before you people say me there. Only me there. You know, ask me if me there. What?
Sorry, sir, in this side of me a quarrel. Yes, sir. Oh, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown.
Me not there.
Sorry, sir, you miss him by a quarter of there. No, you not come back in here, sir. Go ahead. Sorry, no. Okay. You live in the country. So, what down there, sir? Thief goat. Sir, we not care thieving people go close, sir. So how much goat you thief? 10. So you couldn't let one give people them. A big man like you a thief, so. Sir, question. The goat them live or they dead? Then dead. The case dead with the goat them thief. Sir, we can't carry that goat, cause them they goat they could end up a restaurant and people name them out. Sir, don't speak, can't carry, sir. Sir, don't speak, sir, not talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like your mama too. Yeah, I'm bad, I am, and I wrong people, they mark.
You know, say, me feel say you go on your bed and come up with brand new ideas to mash up my business. It's sabotage, you come and say sabotage me, don't you?
No, sir.
It's who saying?
Nobody.
It's who saying you?
Sir, influenza virus you in a me feet. Sir, I know nobody, and I know me make you not get no client, you know, sir. You know, sir, the people them will have the office round there, so they don't know see a law we do it here, you know, sir. Them things you are golden age home to it close they way.
Delcita, hold on. Was that a client? Was that a client on the phone? I may just hear you read out the whole of the client's business and about the line Coldwater.
No, sir, him tell me, I tell him back.
Okay. Attorney-client privilege code. Run that through your brain and tell me what it means to you. Attorney-client privilege. Run it.
You know, say that come back and it come empty door.
Confidentiality is essential here. I could lose my place at the bar, you know.
They no go drink somewhere, sir.
Okay. Fine. Let me put it somewhere where you can understand it. Let me paint you an equation. Yes.
Sir, you don't paint equation, the giant.
All right then, Coldwater. Let me jar you up one equation then.
Yes, sir.
No client.
Yes, sir.
Plus no job minus your little salary equals go to your yard.
Yes, sir.
You get that?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can balance the equation. Sir, idiot client, got quote, lose case, business shut down. Sir, and the next thing, sir, I make your zip always down, sir.
Nothing about my zipper is a part of your job description, you see? Yes. So when you are chat to me, you feel look up your son. No, look down there, sir. Look up your son.
Yes, sir.
Pervert.
Like it, sir.
The name is Bull. Dr. Theophilus B. Bull, attorney at law.
His name is Coldwater. Delcita Coldwater. Attorney at know that.
Inform Mr. Case that I'm here.
Are you thieving what them, sir? Yes. Elephant man come.
Entertainers, what are you talking about? Oh, Bull, fancy seeing you here, what you want?
Yo. For someone that's challenging me in a court of law, you know, man, I expected to come and see a far more classy joint. My God, man, your place is a dump.
Sorry for disappointing you, Bull.
Really?
But this is not a giant.
Oh.
This is an office.
Excuse me.
How may I help you?
You can't help me. You see, I've taken on the Devon Smith case, you know. But you know, when I looked at the file and realized that you were the attorney on the case, I said, my God, man, I couldn't pass up another opportunity to whip your ass in court one more time. But then, you know, I said, I need to play it fair. So here's my proposal, no? We're willing to plead guilty on the fraudulent conversion charges, see? But that's only if you're willing to drop all the other charges. That's what you say, old boy?
What me say? Well, no, man, raise up, get up. Yeah, you know, get up, man. Tell me something. That said thieving boy, Devon Smith. Is you I'm thieving lawyer, but?
No. Ho.
Tell me, boy, because I must know these things.
Let me correct you, listen thing you say, old boy.
Okay, say what?
You see, I've sat and passed my QLTT in London.
Good
You
for
know.
you.
Pass it,
Jesus! Man. Through the glasses, Bull.
All of you know I passed it on the very first thing at that, you know. You know that I have my LLM, my LLB, and my PhD. You see, I've sat and passed the Jamaican bar, you know, the New York State Bar, and the California State Bar as well. So don't you dare ever call me a lawyer. Damn ranking out of order.
Sorry. I am coming from the rum bar, you see? So if you could kindly leave, I have unfinished business. Tell me something, Mr. Bull. When we can come down here with all of your qualifications, eh? Your BC, your RC, and your PC. No, tell me. With all of them their qualifications, you should be able to set the devil free. Why would you want to make a deal with me?
You seem to have a very short memory, you know.
What are you talking about?
February 2006, ring a bell?
You mean the same February 2006 where you dip your hand in your pocket and pay off the judge and the jury, Bull? You think me forget? Tell me something. When I can left your office and come to my office, if you come blow up your horn, Bull?
Blow?
Yes, blow.
Well, listen to me. If that is your way of telling me that you have someone blowing you, you have succeeded.
No matter when he's sucking in here.
You know, Mr. Bull? Keep your blasted qualifications and your accolades to yourself.
Accolades.
That can't win court case.
Accolades.
Yes, accolades.
But what I ever not mere accolades.
Hey, what you said?
They're tools.
Hey.
Tools to let you look like a damn fool in a court of law. Accept the world the way it is and allow yourself to be the way you are. Jack Cain Beale.
I don't want to be a one rain this time.
you're bright, Mr. Bull. You make big time quotation for me, Bull. Well then, Mr. Bull. Civilization begun. The first time someone threw a word instead of a stone.
One side,
Sigmund Freud.
You're behaving like you have half a brain now. But you know, there's a few things I can teach you about brains. Because you see brains, brains are like mouths. When empty, they blather. When full, they digest. Pete Harrison. I'll get out of this.
Oh, no, man. See you on this video. What is? Exodus! Bob Marley!
Yeah! I'm not turning a drummy bastard! That is Portia Simpson.
Listen, I am very, very busy. I don't want no calls. Please, do not disturb me. Busy.
Yes! Anytime you see my boy in the office, busy. I feel him, I feel up. Okay, busy. What is up there? He said purple or something. I thought nothing like. Yeah. That look like all sitting here. Sir!
Wow!
Sir, put in a cup, sir. Put in a
What up?
Sir, you see the address here?
Yes, what up?
56 Narborough Drive, Kingston 30.
Five. Put it in the cabin.
Sir, we used to work on Narborough Drive, sir. And the people that were me I work with them live at last house on the left hand side and for them house at 54. A 54 Narborough Drive tapping out this as a 56. Plus Kingston 13, sir, 13.
Now, bro, they're jungle now?
No, sir, we don't think Desmond Mackenzie would allow that.
What is What is? This looks familiar though. This look like
The address there.
Yeah, man, so.
Rotted, I don't know how.
Tell me about it.
You must see your address, sir. Say, man, put your address in a document like how you do your document.
Man, put your address in a document like I'm in the document.
Sir, you never read the document.
You never read the document. Coldwater, call the bank.
Yes, sir, me have a call.
Myself, call the bank.
Sir, you have it phone, you got it on your head. Jesus, you're not ready yet, you know you're not ready yet.
Yes, BBB. Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Rake, please? Hello, Rakey boy. How are you doing, man? Yes, Bally. Look here, look, I just called to find out, you see, if that man did come and cash the check. What do you mean? Woman? What was her name? Delcita Coldwater?
Sir, tell him about no rap with me, though. I mean, I left you for money.
Yeah. No problem at all, Ricky. The interest will be paid on time. Every time. Bye-bye.
I see him think they on this, you're doing a pure foolishness, them I know. I don't dash them way, because they are rubbish. Sir, give me phone, give me. Because you never take overdraft, you don't take overdraft. Sir, I'm mad, sir. Sir, from mad, pay me for sir.
Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
You see me daughter Marley?
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
She a baby, sir.
And my mother.
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
But you buried her last year, sir.
Well, in that case, me will tell her myself.
This lady walk on Africa, go home and leave my mother. No, tell me anyway, no good enough. It's a case of what you got, sir. Don't do it, no, why not do?
find the girl? What do you mean by your father should be dead? Be dead? Now, how can a man should be dead? You tell me that. You miss. Well, anytime you find me having daughter, that time what you be dead? Yeah, I'm good. You there? Open my one eye. Everybody, you only one. Yeah. I want you to listen to me. I said, you're listening to me. Yeah. Talk to you later. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You have a problem at work, you know?
How?
My boss not shut himself and not pay me first.
You did?
He not did it, you hospital I walk through. Somebody rabbit today, you know?
Rabbit?
500,000 just such ever.
No, man, that country is from bad to us. You know, let's be a thief and criminal as well.
That's it, and you know they don't have them yet. Chema, me start for me boss, you know. Me say the clothes man work hard, you know. And when me see take it good, and puppy shot in himself. Me say when Chema they fi collect that they shot there. Hi, Trevi. It's your woman Heath. Are you coming over tonight, baby? Can't believe
Uh-huh.
Trevi.
Sweetie, I need to know if you're coming home. Baby, I really need you to talk to me. I miss you.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, you know I don't like you when you do this, man.
Listen to me now, sir.
Sir,
You called me at a very wrong time. Please do call me tomorrow. Sir, I'm having my lunch right now. Please do, sir, call me tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I'm having my lunch right
baby,
now.
no, don't hang up.
Have a
baby,
wonderful
please,
day, sir.
don't
Thanks for
hang up.
understanding. Okay, bye-bye. So you have said somebody shot the boss today, don't you?
May I tell you?
Oh, shit.
I know somebody shot him neither. Him shot himself. And me I said to myself, say, you know, so me go there and me I look for him. And me I say, what am I doing with the gun side of him? In the hospital, you can't imagine. You should have borrowed from him to go and shot the future woman in front of him.
When this school, listen, this school is a business school.
Yeah.
The people who come here in this school are business associates, alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me know you're associates. Me know you're an associate, say baby, don't hang up. A double problem me, you know? When me go to my hospital, then 2 girls come call me from Cali Series and their money due. I look their boss no pay me.
Oh, you're the manager?
What's that? Me I say you have to go charge now 50,000 or 5,400 to make you feel good up.
Yeah, man.
Me not mad at when you don't carry come.
Yeah, see.
Yeah.
You can't just go up and go job, then it's the same word.
Me know you have to carry your idea, your man.
You see that?
Yeah.
The more you take it to me, see?
Yeah.
That investment. You put investment in the bank and it accumulates interest.
Yeah.
Now your interest now accumulating about 2,000.
Oh, yeah, me understand. But here one now. Me not no interest in the interest. Oh, John, yeah, the principal you want, Trevor. Me no want interest. Just go and get the principal.
I want them damn police.
Nobody not tell me nothing, Trevor. Cause here one. Me no want the money tomorrow. Me no want it yesterday. Me want it today. So see if you can hurry up, Trevor.
soon as you're along. Yeah, that was it. Where did you
Trevor, are you trying to play a practical joke?
Yes, look at that joke.
I'm not joke neither. So here what, Trevor? You see when you reach for your joke part, put up your hands.
If you're peaceful, like, I know I raise my price now, go and this man. Government money we're going to give me.
Trevor, stop it. Right? I know some me under stress. And you want to pick them for that day.
I know I hear no boy you're hungry, but pick them up the money. We not easy.
Trevor! And me I talk to so Trevor. Trevor, you don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, you're killing me. You don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, right now, you want to have something that you don't know.
Hold on. I take my money and walk up to balance. Okay. Warm me there, Sita. No, warm me. No, nobody boss me. Go for the money because give me. It's a wicked girl. Every time I'm going to go warm, panda by. Eh? I go outside here, nobody boss me. I go talk about money. It's a wicked girl. Go for the money because give me, no. Go for the money. You know, for my money. Yeah, what's the name? I'm going to look at it.
Liku, Trevor, liku in the idea. Nobody have the bedroom tactics, you know, Trevor.
Come my money. When I easy. You take my money and I go put water to me. I better lock my backside. I'm going to lock up your backside. What's going on? Take my money. Made that coat. I'm going to sell it up with your backside.
Delcita Coldwater, you are hereby charged with robbery with aggravation. You may remain silent, because anything you say or look like you're going to say can be used against you in a court of law.
It's open.
Yes, sir. You can't come around and kitchen and try to like you.
You're decent.
Sir, come now, sir.
Okay, I am coming in.
Yes.
Miss Coldwater,
Yes, sir.
you know I was just on my way to the country.
Yes.
And I said to myself, self, you know, since Coldwater been out of the pen, you haven't visited her. And myself replied and said, you know what, you're right. So here I am, Coldwater, and I come bearing gifts.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because I try one. Sir, we have four little
Sorry. Is all them girls that treat them themselves, Coldwater?
Well, them a kiss after me was I said.
And I trust that you never kiss back.
Well, the kiss back this year me like that. Sir, you want something to drink, sir?
What you have?
We have lemonade and jam robati.
Give me the last one.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, the back there and bring it to the John Croft.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Say everything round and me and say I want to very much know in everything just do the whole this and that. I want it all. Me think I want here catch whichever drink goes.
You can tip a little more.
Yeah, but I tip a little more, but I buy it. Stop there, where you say you can't spend that? Where you say you can't? Are you done, sir? Where you say you can't? Where you can't spend it? Oh, cool. That, yeah, the pretty bag. So nice money in you sitting there. Oh God, me shame me now. You know,
this Coldwater. Can you imagine? I pick up my phone and I call my daughter Marlene's phone. Man answer the phone and come and ask me about all this.
Yes, sir.
Me say, well, this is the person who bought the phone. Put Marlene on the phone.
Yes.
Man, I will come tell me how many they are nigger and they are watching, they are fun and they are frolic. Coldwater with the backside, they are a pool side.
They must have pasties outside.
People going to classes, Coldwater.
Sir, so life for everybody had a problem. Come me and see me twin and sir. You know, say, Trevor, we make me get locked up at jail and know me have to go back court to sir. I'm sorry, me now wonder if you could have been me liar, sir.
No. You see, I'm insolvent now, you know.
That means, sir.
That means I'm broke. The last money I visit, me take Beale and buy the little token in the phone.
Yeah,
And I'm further. You are my employee, I am your employer. It's really conflicting, you know. It's
What's sir, me know what kind of this again, sir? Remember say you shut it up.
well, but I want you there in the 2 weeks that I am gone. And that's, I just want you there for
So
one.
sorry, I couldn't come and court one night time and know that Trevor done the whole of me money and I'm the one, sir.
It's really conflicting, Coldwater. I'm trying to tell you this.
Delcita!
How would that sound like a Mexican show, Papacita? Somebody there! Somebody is here. No talking. Somebody there.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm a social worker. May I come in, please?
Oh, yes, miss. Yeah, you come to the ministry?
Yes, I come to the ministry.
Oh, they want to talk to parents and so about Pitney auntie.
Are you Delcita?
Yeah, me and Delcita.
Nice to meet you. And you are, sir?
Valentine case, attorney at law.
A lawyer. Is he your partner?
I'm in class, you mother, be wise.
Oh, okay. How long you been living here, though?
10 years now, you landlady, they have to take you.
All right. And do you live here with your partner?
Me not sure one, but you know that.
No. I meant your man.
Oh, with me man?
Yes, your man.
Miss, me no love talk, me private.
No, man, it's okay. Go ahead, darling.
Yeah, me no problem now, yeah, me sorry. No too worried about your Trevor. Yeah, me not sure. So just come your hand now.
Trevor?
You know I miss?
Hold a minute. As in Trevor Gonzalez.
You know him! Hey, you know say when a Jamaican wife, that's why we take
What do you mean by you take him?
Oh, it mean we along with them together, we sleep in a bedroom for the water.
You listen to me. You see, this little interview is officially over. My name is Heat and Chinubu.
Oh, your company African shorty.
Soon to be Mrs. Gonzalez.
You're married to Trevor, brother. You're cool, man. You're cool.
Trevor is my fiancé. And I cannot understand why he would betray all of this for that. Ridiculous. No, listen. I said nothing about a financee. Trevor and I are engaged to be married. And it's rather appalling that the woman with whom he chooses to have a fling is not even equipped with basic verbal communication skills.
Thank you, and the same to you. Thank you. I wear that just
She say, yeah, idiot.
Yes, you are definitely an idiot.
So, you come up here and tell me, say, you want Trevor.
Duh, honey.
You can't want Trevor.
Yes, I do.
When you are Trevor, don't come to my permanent tenant in my property.
to go to court.
Oh, why would we do that?
Come here like what?
Listen, all you need is to sit there, shut your mouth, and allow me to do the work. That's what they pay me.
Where's it now?
I said you sit, you shut your mouth, and allow me to talk. It's straightforward. I have a perfect strategy for this case.
So me no listen now.
Not at all.
You don't know what it does either.
What you don't understand is that I don't need to know who's Delcita. I'm yet to meet a woman that I can handle you.
Last man, me live with this woman. And me can manage her. Right now, I'm taking you 2 more lines with yourself. Who people I don't want me to talk to her?
Don't worry, sir. As I've said before, I have a perfect strategy for this case.
Let me see the medicine clearly. I am going to sit here and don't say nothing at all.
Exactly.
And you are not going to do all the talking.
That is why I'm the attorney.
How you call that?
Strategy.
Strategy. Strategy.
That's good.
Strategy. Good luck. I wish you all the best. You and your strategy. You don't know what it is, you don't. You know it? Welcome. Tell me welcome. Tell me welcome.
Okay, let's go. Case number 130.
Gonzalez? Agaza, we say.
Where is your lawyer?
Pardon?
Where is your lawyer? They offered us money, man. Offer bull and bull. We've been practicing for over 25 years.
I've been working under the queen, her mother, and her grandmother for 15 years. Sister, sit down for me. Woman, where is your lawyer?
Pardon me,
Where is your lawyer?
me not gonna need no lawyer. Trevor teach me money.
We shall proceed.
So, to be quite frank, let's be on this side. I have no intention of sending poor Miss Coldwater to jail, though. As a matter of fact, what we're proposing is that she repays the money and it recorded that she has done so. As a matter of fact, if she wants to plead guilty to the charges right now, we're more than willing to have them thrown out.
I have no problem with that. I have a stupid to go and eat. Miss Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
Will you stand for me?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to change a plea to guilty?
Let me know you get it right.
Okay, let's proceed.
Girl, as the evidence that we shall present today will show us, Miss Delcita Coldwater is not the innocent in the country bumpkin that she portrays herself to be. We shall set out to prove that Miss Coldwater is nothing more than a common criminal. Ready to proceed?
I'm in no time.
We shall call our one and only witness, Mr. Trevor Gonzalez, to the stand.
The man. The Sam was said.
Young man, don't waste the court time, okay? Mr. Gonzalez, approach me. I don't want to see it. Turn around. Show the jury your ugly face. Then I warn you, I like the way you cut your hair. It makes my job easier. You got the best to take job.
And what do you do for a living?
Hustle.
Please, elaborate.
I am a businessman with hustling potential. That makes me a hustler.
Very well, no. How long have you known this Delcita Coldwater?
2 years, 3
Ay,
months.
I'm not 2 years, you know me, but I'm not too sure. Abduction, yeah,
Put on ya. There is objection.
yeah.
Defendant is on the court. You may proceed, Constable.
Right here. Oh, Mr. Gonzalez, tell us, how did you happen to meet Miss Delcita Coldwater?
When I was downtown one day,
Me
you
don't
see,
go downtown, I don't go down there.
Miss Coldwater.
I don't go down there.
Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Yes, Your Honor.
One more utterance out of that mouth, and you're going to see what I'm going to put in there.
But I don't go down there.
You may go ahead, Mr. Gonzalez.
as I was saying, I was downtown St. Elizabeth one day, you see, right? And while I was there, I observed Miss Coldwater in a supermarket picking up some groceries, right? Now this woman picked up $1,500 worth of groceries. And when she reached the cashier, she only had $500. So out of the goodness of my heart, I give her $1,000.
I know me, you get cashier.
So, if we have to understand you clearly then, Mr. Gonzalez, what you are saying to this point is that Miss Coldwater was shoplifting.
Shoplift your mama.
Right there! Order!
that you have popped up Miss Coldwater, you have done a lot of things for her. But tell us, what made you think that you could go ahead and offer her financial assistance?
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor. The question was prostitution.
How we are going to require the conduct? Is everything right on the book? Everything right on the book we have run the court back because of you. The word is prosecution. Don't make me let my seat come on you again because you don't know me.
You don't know me neither.
But you stop here.
Hello.
What?
Shall I remember say you go that door when court door?
Was that a threat I heard in my cook today?
Me not check nobody, but none of we not living here.
You may proceed.
Proceed, Your Honor. So, Mr. Gonzalez.
If you bad, proceed. No, man, you in a tie. Proceed, no proceed. Father, no, me not ask question. Proceed. I mean, them on the floor, ladies, before Jane come. Your Honor, when me not say, he question where him. Ask Trevor say about the financial assistance. He sound to me like him a lead and Trevor like him a tell Trevor what he say.
You know you're right, sustain.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'll rephrase it. So, Mr. Gonzalez, tell us, did you feel sorry for her?
Yes, I feel sorry for her. Very sorry.
Right.
How you look for me for? I look somebody if you object you again, you go down here.
So, Mr. Gonzalez, explain for the benefit of the members of the jury, because I'm sure they must be curious. Because we're talking about a woman that you just met. But yet, you went ahead and paid for her groceries. You also took her home. Didn't it not dawn on you that you were setting yourself up to be robbed of your $750,000?
How wicked, man. I feel like, oh,
It's alright. There's no chasing someone, man.
Mr. Gonzalez, do you need a moment?
no, but me I football and talk. We used to it.
Very well. So, were there any witnesses to the theft of your money?
Yes, sir.
And who were these witnesses?
Me.
Hey, you need to elaborate.
I mean, hide the money, I John, and me miss the money. That's why you have me along with this, don't you?
Very good. Now, on the day in question, what did Miss Coldwater cook you for dinner?
Ask you.
I mean, no near me. You know near me, me not near me. Trevor, don't make me talk when you're near me.
What Mr. Gonzalez eats.
Well, Your Honor, Trevor come quite like when you have to cooking all day if you warm up.
Listen, guys. If you can't manage, tell me my friend.
Proceed, Your Honor. Now, Mr. Gonzalez, can you recall what Miss Coldwater was wearing on the day in question?
One black party with a shorts and green boots and pink slippers.
It's alright, Martin Luther, you having a bad trip.
in her face or foot. Right now, she have a problem that I didn't go fix her teeth them.
Teeth and them your teeth and not fix. And me do them so they not fix. You know, she said they have representation. Chema look for them good. You know, she say only two front black they represent Michelle and Barack. Watch me.
No. Mr. Gonzalez. I'm sensing a pattern here because you said Miss Coldwater went to come from way to cooking and bun and meal and oxtail. Should they get sexy in around? Alright. So when you got to the house, can you recall what was the color spread that Miss Coldwater had on her bed?
It's alright. Enough rope we carry, ain't it?
So then, based on what has just transpired, you see, if you had to sum her up with one word, how would you best describe this Delcita Coldwater?
One word?
One.
That girl is not...
One word?
She's like a sister to me.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Constable. Miss Coldwater, let I remind you, you won't be spending 6 hours in the prison then the next time. It will be 60 long days.
Sorry, Your Honor.
The witness may step.
No, you can't step on me, no question.
Your Honor.
Objection, you clock.
Miss Coldwater! Miss Delcita Coldwater!
You are not talking truth. If you give somebody a certain amount of money to pull up, in your brain, you don't must know if I did some $1,000, $500, $100 bill. Your Honor, Trevor, the money didn't mix up our street.
Objection, Your Honor.
I want to take you so you have that door. Every minute you objection. You don't want no other word.
Oh, shit! Hold your eyes down. Procedure.
Trevor, how much money we give for invest?
You are not this woman give me a cent, man.
All right, Trevor, how much time may I have in that court? All right, Trevor. Trevor, who want you come clean? Come clean, Trevor, come clean. Right? Trevor, how much time you rape me? I forgot. You see, me tell Trevor come clean, you come clean. And Trevor will talk to you. You can ask you a question. Because since you want come clean, you can ask you something. Trevor ever rape you? If you put $425,000 by the $800,000 back so full, Your Honor. All right, Your Honor. There's no way $750,000 could have won in that box. That's the way you would have called 4th century. Hey, Your Honor, you have heard long time. You know we can ask you certain questions. You ever try to force a big thing in a small one? Silent that man said. Hey, Your Honor, Trevor a thief and Trevor a liar. There's no way $750,000 could have won in another box. So in other words, Trevor raped me and Trevor raped me back. Hey, Your Honor,
What?
show the case, you know, because prima facie, you know, had nothing against me, you know. You don't hear me, you know, man.
What?
You don't hear me, you know, man. No further questions.
Get up. Come outside. Go out. Oh, no, I ain't never giving up. Let's go. At this very moment, we shall proceed with Officer Delcita Coldwater, who is serving time for criminal contempt of my court.
That's fine, man.
We will now appoint a new defense for her.
Not so fast, Your Honor, not so fast. My name is Valentine Banks, and I represent Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Go to the court.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any records of Coldwater's case? I mean the Delcita case?
Yes, sir. What I've got to tell you.
You forgot!
and the fine, the $10,000, you see? The fine has been paid. See that why I'm paying. Your Honor, I know that you must be surprised to see. See, but you see, justice and I, we have a symbiotic relationship that propagates freedom.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
One more big word up to that mountain and you'll see what's going to happen inside here.
Okay. I am here. Your Honor, I am hereby filing a writ of a habeas corpus for the release of my client.
Is this some sort of game you're playing with?
Oh yes, Your Honor, this is a game. But you see, in this game, I am playing defense. Defense! 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 Very good, very good. Your Honor, you see, my client's conduct wasn't merely because she's unaware of proper courtroom proceedings. You see, that is why she behaved the way she did. The defense would like to call our first witness to the stand. We would like to call Ms. Conchita Bomba. You can sit down here, Miss Bumper.
Thanks, sir.
Miss Bumper, could you please tell the court where you work and what you do for a living?
He's a businessman. I work in a new Kingston.
Okay, and do you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Certainly.
Could you please inform the court of your relationship with Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Well, is it Trevor? Trevor used to be my number one client. I used to invest big money for me.
Well, invest money.
Till he robbed me.
So are you trying to tell the court that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor has been cash flossing? Or dare I say, politicizing? Objection, Your Honor. I withdraw, Your Honor. I withdraw. Your Honor, the evidence that I am providing will show beyond the shadow of a doubt that this man, Bad Boy Trevor, and what he does for a living is on the opposite side of honesty, meaning he is a thief. And that my poor client, Miss Delcita Coldwater, was merely a victim of this mass of biological waste. Known to mankind as Bad Boy Trevor. Can I proceed now? Now, Miss Bumper,
Yeah.
you have a son and you have a nephew. One of them named Hammer, one of them named Nail. Could you please inform the court of the relationship among a Hammer, Nail, and Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Well, you say I'm a Neil and Bad Boy Trevor friend. I'm gonna write that I get them to have business places. The man in protection money, I don't know. I'm going to start him out and thing.
Exhibits 3A and 3B. Letters sent to my office, Your Honor, on the 4th day of December. Sent by Mr. Bad Boy Trevor. Hand delivered by said Hammer and Nail. Now, Miss Bumper, would you say that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor is an honest man?
Not one backside, Trevor's an extortionist.
Hey, girl, don't come in.
Hey, Trevor, I want money. Trevor, I want to spend $150,000. Trevor, will you take my money? Trevor, I want the money. Can you tell me, say that guy, you're dirty girl, if I carry girl, give me back. And I know you're not giving back the money, Trevor, I want the money.
Trevor, you mean to tell me you were going to take my money and give it to that thing?
I am the only dirty girl, but you're girl.
Trevor, I'm your fiance.
You're lucky, I got another Chuck on fire over there.
Why don't you try Chuck?
Miss Bumper! Miss Bumper!
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Constable. Constable?
Miss Conchita Bomba. Is that your real name?
You have a problem with that?
No, God. But tell us, where exactly in New Kingston is your office located and what's the telephone number? what number Hallward Road? Of course you would know. Convenient here, but I lost some memory. Well, tell me, can you remember 9 inches? I mean, no, don't answer that. Can you recall, though, charging $5,000 for 3 hours worth of work at 17 Cargill Avenue on the 27th day of the 8th month, 2008? Can you? Objection! Clearly, Your Honor, my overzealous colleague is battering the witness.
Yes, in my
It is clearly a point of credibility, you idiot. Go and sit down.
Yes!
Yes, Your Honor.
To take your seat.
You're lucky the judge never fix it over here, boy. As I was saying, Your Honor, Miss Bumper is nothing more than a common street prostitute.
I'm in a common. That's right, no that.
Excuse me. Which part of the Constitution is to say prostitute can't give evidence? Which part?
I not just tell you to sit down.
None of that if you do, but if you don't,
Counsel!
Yes, but don't worry yourself, Your Honor. I was just on my way to my seat.
Your Honor, Miss Bumper asks to be a police informant. And she also aims to sell the first syllable in her name for a living.
So what, you know, I'm by some...
You know what, Your Honor? There's no further use for this witness.
Constable.
Yes, Your Honor.
I realize you're very intimate with this character. On the 27th of the 8th, 2008, were you the victim of this system here? Just checking.
Friday night.
Miss Bumper, you can step.
Your Honor, just when time some people did think, semi-done. Thank you. The defense would like to hold up the place a little bit, Your Honor. We would like to call to the stand Ms. Heat Antonovo.
Hey, get over here. You know what is up? Thank you. You have a photo seat. Do you need to tell the truth or the truth of that thing, God?
So help me God.
Sit down, check my crosses.
Now, Ms. Antonovo. Will you please tell the court how long you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor and how you met?
I've known Trevor since I was 16 years of age.
16?
On the record, the court that the jury will have 16 is the age of consent. I mean, I got to put it there.
How you met?
I met Trevor at a party.
Yeah.
He approached me. We've been dating for 6 years and he's been living at my house for the past 2 years.
Why you have to check it? Don't you know if the way?
No, Miss Angelo. Do you think that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor loves you?
No. And ever since he met Delcita, he's been acting very different.
How does the cook?
I used to buy Trevor everything he needed. I even bought him a ring last year worth $200,000.
Objection, Your Honor, relevance. Well, if you wait until she finishes up, you will hear the relevance, man. Well, here is a pop up. You have a jack in the box.
Constable, you take your seat.
Go on, darling. Tell us about the ring. Tell us.
The ring was an engagement ring.
Yeah.
And I even engraved my initials in that ring.
You engraved your initials in the ring?
Yes, I did.
What is your middle initial?
My middle initial is M. It's HME. Heat, Marlene, and Shinobu. What's the problem?
Are you?
Yes.
Yes, man. Are you?
Yes.
Junior Senior. You're gonna lock him up him back. This man come into my office and defrauded me of $500,000. And me want every red cent to that.
Counsel case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't
push me, don't push me.
Counsel case. Don't do the pushing. There's no record here about any $500,000.
No, but you don't understand. This wouldn't be.
This man is a madman.
Mr. Gonzalez,
Your Honor, sometimes.
stick to the Delcita case.
Your Honor, sometimes this man cheap is a madman.
It's all right, Your Honor. Miss Anchonobo,
Yes?
would you say that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor is an honest man?
Not the least.
Not the least.
Excuse me, not the very least.
Not the very least.
Your Honor, this man is a madman. Sometimes he cheap out.
Junior, Senior.
He cheap out again.
You're dead!
What?
Figurative.
Yes.
His case has been shut down. No further questions. What's me about saying? Don't worry yourself. Miss Angelo, can you be trusted?
What's your question?
I mean, it's all a question of credibility, isn't it? We have sat here and have listened to you giving a testimony. And you have professed your love for my client, Mr. Trevor Gonzalez. But yet, you have turned on him like the common witness that you are. So can you then be trusted?
Big guy, I've never asked no one to trust me. Not even Trevor. You speak about credibility, but what do you know about credibility? By his deeds, a man shall be known.
Now that is Shakespeare.
And by the way, my father is going to be very upset if you win this case, Dr. Bull.
Sister, say something. Say objection, I'll shut it.
Your Honor, Constable, Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Counsel case?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any more witness before we close this case here?
Yes, let me proceed, Your Honor, because it looks like somebody has secret business at it. Your Honor, I would like to call my final witness to the stand. Aye, it's me and this thing, it's not you. The defense would like to call Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Get up and swear.
The court didn't afford a bigger Bible. Swear.
Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell the court how long you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
No, it's been 9 months there with him.
And within those 6 months, Miss Coldwater, how much money did Mr. Bad Boy Trevor give you to put down?
0 cents.
And within those 6 months, Miss Coldwater, how much money did you give Mr. Bad Boy Trevor to invest?
Me give $400,000 and give me back nothing no time. In come my yard, in bar, $300,000. And $750,000 Trevor got for me, you know.
Question.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bad Boy Trevor, he never cheat on you
He
before.
give me money every day.
Careful, you have to have evidence when you say
My
this.
woman them, sir.
Go on, speak.
One name Patsy, Commissioner daughter.
Patsy.
One name Michelle, Minister of Finance daughter. One name Warren, one name Ratty. No, you did it.
No. If you have something to say, the judge is here and I mean, nobody can't do nothing. Say Miss Delcita Coldwater alone stood the Bible.
Yeah, that's true.
And now I'm going to tell me that this young man here calls me to lose my daughter. Well, God forbid if I am to lose this case in a so to death because of this man.
It's a mad man.
They should have me gun in your Bad Boy Trevor. You see what going on?
Gun.
Me must go carry. No further questions.
I ain't gonna say if you take out the gun, I know you shot you.
54 North Track. Does it ring a bell?
We are coming.
Answer the question, number one. Does 54 North Drive ring a bell?
Me not talk who ring and no ring, but me not tell nobody who me vote for.
Very well. I'll phrase it so that even you can understand. Can you recall working at 54 North Drive where $15,000 went missing?
You wanna? Me I work at 54 North Drive and the people them want me $15,000 and I want pay. Do I know one room and me I tidy it and me see 10,000 and me take it and I got yard. After that the people them come and apologize if they come for balance at 5,000. When me go there put 1,000 on top I pay me fear. God me are good.
Not so fast. Not so fast, Miss Coldwater. Because there's also the case of 27 Orange Street where $3,000 went missing. I dare you to know answer that.
And you show me partner and me. Me show me partner. $3,000 a month. When they send me drop, won't give me $3,000 miss about a banker fee. Me both you.
You know what, girl? I think I have no further questions.
Miss Coldwater, I must say to you, you're a magnificent woman. You ain't I want to give her a round of applause. But that would not deter that she's here on a charge of robbery with aggravation. Mr. Trevor Gonzalez wasn't. I want you barely see your deliberation when you're coming to that verdict. We will now have our closing argument from our prosecutor and then our the defense.
Nobody else in the moment. Just start the jury and say we can't press the jury here. I know more you just chat to me. Alright? Good boy.
Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what has been presented before you today is clearly...
Sorry. Don't mind me. Don't mind. Proceed.
As I was saying, it is clearly a hope shot case. As the evidence has shown, Miss Delcita Coldwater must be guilty. When she met Mr. Gonzalez at the supermarket, it was no accidental meeting. The woman saw the man, realizing that he had some money, and she had laid her plan. What she did was that she used her charm and her sexiness and breathed
You are making a mockery, my good. Do you see any sex in here?
So everybody a keep their teeth. He wanna keep them teeth away, man. See. That's right. Next time I want to tell him, man, where is he beauty in the hair like this?
Yeah, shortly. Excuse me, was that your best shot? I know where you said. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you see, justice must not only seem to be served, but justice must be served. Monty Perkins. The defense rests.
Have the jury come to a verdict? Yes! Let's hear it. So Miss Delcita Coldwater?
Not guilty!
Mr. Trevor Gonzalez?
Guilty!
I'm hearing 2 minute verdict. You have a verdict, sir? Guilty. You have me say, have a verdict over here?
Guilty!
Order! Will the foreman step with the right verdict, please? Uh-oh, here's you. Alright, go back down there, sir. You hear me? The man say foreman, the other one come. Give me this man, I own the boy. Watch and no!
Excuse me!
Please! Put it right here. Put it in your right here. What kind of very now? I'm the right thing. Hold it, come in. Come right. What kind of word?
Your Honor, we the jury have found the defendant, Delcita Coldwater. Not guilty.
Yes! I have an announcement. Miss Coldwater, you always been there for me. You told me that I need to get back into the saddle and move on with my life. Yes. So before everybody here today, I want you to meet my brand new fiancé. Here's the heat and Chernobyl.
Baby, look at her face, look. No, baby, this way.
Things are straight up. I have here in my hand a warrant for the rest of your clients. 2 sexual charges. Well, 2 sexual charges. One on Miss Delcita Coldwater, and the other on a juice box.
I don't know if you realize that this is totally ridiculous. There's no legal precedence for this. Because someone talk about this is not even real court. This is a kangaroo court.
It's my lawyer. Delcita will dig in. Your Honor, my lawyer's just taking a leave of absence. He wasn't a good lawyer anyway. So if you give me permission, some lawyer outside waiting to go find
Mr. Gonzalez!
one.
Oh, no. Straight prison!
Your Honor, with your permission and the court's permission, I'm going to ask that Miss Delcita Coldwater represent me in this matter.